Hello and good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the students of 10th standard. I hope you are understanding whatever videos we are sending to you, that you are understanding not 100% but more than 50% you can get or you can understand. The only one thing is there important. When we send to you videos, first of all you listen this one, and along with that it's a humble request to all the students that when you hear or when you listen these videos, that when you see these videos, after that you take out your textbook, and whatever the videos you learned, you heard that same topic, that same content, you read out from your textbook, means it will help to you to understand. Otherwise when you listen with the help of a mobile, at the same time you keep the textbook in front of you, means you can understand again in a proper way. So we are learning the history's fourth lessons. In that last one point, art, applied history and the proportional opportunities in this. So in that second one part, that is applied history, applied art is there. So the visual and performing arts are primarily looked upon as the means of entertainment for the people. Visuals and performing art, which we can be seen, and which are performed. So these two arts are most important, or they primarily look upon as the means of entertainment for the common people, which we can see also, and which are performed on the stage also there. So they are the means of entertainment for us or for the common people. However, there is a scope to be combined and artistic creations with the utility value to make it economically viable. There is scope is there, lot of scope is there, lot of space is there. We can make their career there. They can be combine their artistic creations, combinations, by using their utility, by using their skills and the value that, and they can make economically they can make a viable, economically they can make a profitables. By using their skill they can earn money from this. Thus an artistic creations with a utilitarian purpose is called as a applied history. So the artists or artisans who use their creation, artistic creations, by using the different variations, that art or that skill is called as a applied art. Industry and advertisement is there. Interior design and production of the ornamental object. Industry and advertisement, what are the industry products are there? Advertisement is very important, that when you go in a market, first of all, before that we first of all see the ad, and when we like ad, then we will go to purchase that thing. So advertisement is also important, that interior design and production of the ornamental objects, whatever the ornaments are there, their design is very important. And when we'll sit with someone, that or with our friends, obviously we see that their jewelry, their ornament, that their designs we see, what are the product they use, that we see their design, their shape, their colors, and once we like, then we'll also request in our home to be purchased. We'll demand the same thing, that we will say that I like that demand, means I like that designs there, that color, that product, that commodity I like, so you will purchase. So it is important. Art design of the stage backdrop is also important, that so art design at the, we can say at the stage backdrop there, behind the stage, artists are very important. Nepathe or the art directions for the film and televisions, that art direction for the film and television. Director is important, that what are the stories there, they will direct, they will say that how we have to perform to the actor or to the leading anchors from that. Basically if you see, those are the actors, they are not doing anything from their own mind. What is the director, they will tell them, suggest them, they will do, they will perform that only. Even each and every steps, their choreographer, they teach them, and that only they perform. So art directing for the films and televisions, creating attractive layouts of books. To create the different layouts of books or the designs of papers, cover magazines, this is important. Magazines, calligraphy, production of the greetings cards, invitation cards, customize stationery, gift objects, etc. are the field of applied art there. See, all these are the field of applied art there. Before to purchase anything, we will see the designs, their structures, their color, their shape. We will see that. Even the greeting cards or invitation card, we are going to purchase invitation card there. At the time also we see the design, shape, the colors there. Then only will give order that. So this is the skill. So these all these skills, when they use their skills creations in their skill that, and variations that, utilitarian, when they utilize their skill with the variations with the product that, then that skill is also called as an applied art that. The field of architectures, photography are also part of applied arts. Field of architectures, construction, buildings, the designs, and photography. When we will take the photo with our phone, it is different. And when someone is skilled in the photography, if you take the photo with the same phone or the camera, his photo or the with mobiles or the cameras are different one, attractive. So that is skill. That person has a skill of the photography. Nowadays, still an animated graphics created with the help of computers are used for the various purpose. Nowadays, in present time, what is that they are using different skills, and they are using what is that computer graphics videos, animated videos. They are using for the different purpose. So animation is also in present time very important source of skill or income then. Using the animated videos that, mostly what is that, with the help of the computer graphics they use that. For example, that one ad is there about the Mountain Dew of Hrithik Roshan's. It is not possible to be climb from one mountain to go from one mountain to another mountain on the bike. So it is a computer graphics video or ad is there. So they give the ad of that product. So it is skill how to sell the product in the market. So next one part that is ornaments, artistic creation of metal, earthen pots with the colorful designs are there. What are the ornaments are there? Creations, the designs is there. Objects made from cane and bamboo, beautiful glass objects. Which are the objects are made from the bamboo or the cane? It is also important. In our home also some of the products we purchase which are made from the cane or the bamboos. Even the swing we use in our home mostly, it is also made from the cane or the bamboo there. So these, along with that, beautiful glass objects are there, different shape glasses are there. Mostly in summer season to drink that lemon juice or juice for the purpose we purchase different glasses. To eat the ice cream, different balls are there. Their design shape is different, so we like that, and then we purchase. All can be listed under the applied arts. So all these are listed, all these are included into the applied art. So every field mentioned above requires a detailed planning and meticulous management at every stage of productions. So each and every skill is given here above, that each and every skill they need the detailed planning that, and along with that, when we will do the management of small proper management of each and every stage, it is important. It is essential to employ trained and skilled individuals at every stage. Those who are employees, they should be skilled, they should be trained for such type of work there. Some of the productions process of artistic object have history of certain tradition. So some of the products are there, they have their specific history of tradition that behind that object. So they continue like same only. For example, you will see that MDH masala is from the 19s. Most of the products on that date they give that since 1920, since 1950, 60. The years from that time, it is tradition is coming. From that time they are selling, they are making that product. So it is important. They should have that type of skill, this tradition. They should preserve that. The development of each productive process has its own history. So each and every product they have their own history. Hence the syllabi of training sources of art design include the history of various industries and cultural tradition. So they are including different syllabus topics in this art history there, or cultural tradition they are including there. So there are the few institutions in India which offer technical occupational training in the above mentioned field. Some of the institutes are there, they can offer to you such type of education in these different field there. Among them the National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad, it is in Gujarat. So Institute of Design in this institute, where they will teach you about the designing materials, about the different designs of the shape. Mostly will draw that mehndi on the hand, for that the different designs is there. It is also one type of skill there. So National Design Institute, it is in Ahmedabad, is also world renowned institute. This institute has introduced an online courses from the 2015. Online courses are also there. So in the next lesson we will learn about the mass and media of history. So in this way this lesson we have completed here. I will send the photocopy of this also, and along with that I will send the photocopy of the exercise question answers. This you have to complete, write in your notebook and send me the photos of each and every questions. Thank you.